welcome back to
Parens of the Dead.
Yeah.
It's the very 10th episode.
It's the very 10th episode. I'm so excited.
Yeah, it's very nice. Okay, so we want to re-roll dice.
Yep.
And we want to click on this. Already a cursor, very cognizant. But nothing happens.
Nothing happens. And because so far the server is sending messages to the client is not sending messages to the server.
Totally.
So this will be our first instance of the client telling the server to do something. So client will issue a command, re-roll these dice or whatever, and then the server will respond with new actions for the client.
Yeah, new events.
Yeah, there will be new events which will be turned into client-side actions.
Exactly. Okay, so I want there to be like an on-click here.
Yep.
We have 3. That's too many. I will go for 2.
You are right about that. So, yeah.
On-click?
No.
This is the actionizer.
Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah, it can be on-click. Yeah,
so
it's perfect. Yeah, as a client. And so, since we're sending it over the wire, it can't be functions, but it can be data. Yeah. So it'll just be a list of symbolic commands. Send command, sure. Re-roll, and then maybe include the index so that it uses the actual button you click on. Yeah.
Very nice. So this is another feature of DumDum. You don't have to pass it a function. You can pass it data, and then that will be emitted on an event bus of your choosing.
If you set that up yourself.
Yeah. Have you done that? No.
I don't think so.
So we're going to have to do that then.
Yeah. Okay.
So I want there to be an on-click on each of these rerolls. And there isn't.
There isn't. So, and I can fix that.
Try to copy.
Yeah. So I'll go like this, and then we'll go, is it here? Yeah. Repeat, and I can't use repeat anymore.
You can use range.
Range N, and then we'll go like this, and I'll use...
that looks good.
Yeah. Cool.
So now we have an on-click.
We have an on-click. And then let's make sure that the client knows how to use the on-click.
Exactly.
If we clear here, so UI isn't totally responsive.
Oh, that's true.
I click here, nothing happens. So we'll have to wire this up in our client. Is that main?
Yeah, it's main.
It's yeah. Hello from Maine. So that's DumDum something. Do you remember what it's like? It's
set event handler.
Set event handler. Yeah, this is a global event handler that will. So if you use an on-click or any event handler and you don't pass a function, you pass data, then DumDum will invoke a global event handler, which is this thing here, which takes, I think, the event and data. Is that right?
I'm not sure.
No.
But add it maybe to the start function.
Yeah.
We have an ambush already, so.
Yeah. So I'll just put it here. I'll just print now because I'm not sure what this receives. Let's see what happens.
And you also have to bind the on-click to the reroll component.
Oh, right. Because we're not doing that. We have rerolls here. And would you look at that? Keys on click. Click. That seemed a little unnecessary, but okay. Refresh again, clear, and then click.
Look, there's an object.
So it's a pointer event, and then here's the data. So that's perfect. So we want data, and what do we want to do with the data? We want to
dispatch on it, maybe?
Do we want to send it down here? Should you be able to associate in on when you click? No. You should send it to the server, probably.
You should just send it to the server.
Then my question is, was it right for this to be send command? Or should it just be reroll?
That's a very good question. Maybe I added send command because I sort of future-proofed it a little bit. maybe we sometimes want to do something in the client that isn't sending commands to the server, but I'm not sure. I don't see a concrete use case for it at this moment.
No, and because our architecture is that the client is very, very silly.
It's very dumb.
Yeah, very dumb. Doesn't know how to do anything. So it sends stuff to the server, and server tells it what to do.
So maybe it's only just a single event. It's like just a reroll tuple there, and not even multiple. We can certainly start with something simpler.
Okay, so
we just take one thing to do.
One thing to do. Okay, we'll start here. It's a small code base. We can fix it later if we want.
Yeah.
So we'll go like this and this.
It certainly reads better.
Yeah, it does. And I can't really conceive of any. I think we'll go far with this. So
if we want to do it like inside here, we have to move the event handler inside the go block.
That's right.
Inside the let even.
Because we want to send it to the channel.
You do it after the error handling, which is also which could be better now. The error handling there. It's I'm sorry about the yaks, but it certainly could be.
Keep pushing me further down the stack, man. So you wanted to do it here? Yeah.
I think maybe at some point we want to clean this up.
Yeah.
But at that point is not now.
No. And so we'll just do like that, I think. And then we'll just,
Yeah, just send it straight back to the server. That's pretty nice.
Here's the stuff you sent me. Take it back.
Yeah, it's yours now.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Okay, so let's just do like this because we're not using it. And so what I can do now is I can take a look at the network panel, and then we can see if it's actually going up.
You probably have to reload though. Okay, so pressing there. Oh,
nothing happened.
That was a disappointment.
Makes me a sad panda.
Okay. Use not in a go block.
Okay, that's right.
Because it's inside the function. Just use put explanation part.
Put.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah. Okay. Then once again, grab the network. Take a look here and oh my god.
Very nice.
Now it'll be your job to receive this message on the server.
Because if I remember correctly, you gave me a hard time because the game loop wasn't a loop.
Yeah, right.
Which is, I think, reasonable.
Yeah.
But at this point, it probably needs to be a loop.
It probably needs to be a loop. And in this wonderfully pure function code base, the game loop is like the most hideous corner of stateful machinery.
Certainly, but it saves all the other code.
Yeah.
It lets the other code be pure.
Yeah.
So we have some initial events, and we turn those into actions.
Yeah.
And then we put those on the WebSocket channel, and then this entire started thing just shuts down.
Yeah.
So
I'm done. My worker is done.
So maybe you should start listening for messages from the client.
Yeah.
I will do loop and maybe what is it? It's a command.
Yeah.
I took the message.
All right. Yeah. I was going to say, remember that it's inside a message.
Yeah, it's the envelope. And from the WebSocket channel. So now I'm going to wait for the WebSocket channel and the message and get a command out. I'll save to get rid of the squigglies for a little bit. And then I want to match again.
Yeah.
Is this part of the game to actually handle the command? Not yet, I think.
No.
For now, what do I want? Okay.
So we want the command to turn into one or more events.
That's right.
And then those events will become actions, go back to the client.
Agreed.
That's the flow.
The very first thing I'm going to do,
just send something back.
I'm going to associate an error because I know it looks, and I will do print string the command.
Okay.
Okay. So anything you send to me, I will just show you as an error.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what I got from you. It's wrong.
And I don't even recur. Okay, I'm going to recur because no, I can't recur because of the. Okay, so this is a loop like this, and then we have a let like this.
Yeah, there we go.
And then we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then you can wait for a new message.
So now I'm expecting there to be like an error when I press this, and it isn't.
No. Perfect.
So we actually got a solution error. Everything here works fine. It's just that the main isn't doing its job.
So the client also isn't looping.
Exactly.
It doesn't expect to get anything else.
It waits only for one message.
Yeah.
Which is fine.
Yeah, it's fine. So you should just wrap this in a loop as well.
Because I would like there to be actions, and I will let the actions be something like this, and then I will loop here. So it's basically the same thing.
Yeah.
After I'm done seeking over the actions, and I can do when let here, because if we then get a nil from the server, it's time to quit this.
Yeah, right. And then afterwards you do recur.
And then we do recur.
If you got some messages, then you'll listen for another one.
Yeah.
Correct.
Let's try that. So we can go over to the console and clear this, and we will take a look. See.
Yeah.
Hey,
Reroll 0.
0.
Perfect.
That is perfect. And with the wiring done, maybe this is episode 10.
Yeah, it is.
It was.
It was.
Thanks for watching.
And we'll see you in episode 11.